Hello there, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Does your bathroom ever feel just a little too plain, a little too cold? Here's a secret. It's actually the perfect place in your whole house for plants to thrive, thanks to one thing it has plenty of: humidity. Every warm shower fills the air with soft moisture that many plants absolutely love. So today, I'm sharing the 10 best plants to turn your bathroom into a cozy little oasis. Bright window or none at all, there's one here for you. And plant number 10, that one to me is the single most important plant on this entire list. So stay with me all the way to the end because you won't want to miss it. If you enjoy simple, peaceful living tips like this, please hit subscribe and the little bell so you never miss a video. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start with the plant I like to call the unkillable friend, the golden pothos. If you've ever felt guilty about forgetting to water a plant, this one forgives you instantly. It's hardy, fast-growing, and wonderfully difficult to kill. Its heart-shaped leaves, streaked with soft gold, look absolutely beautiful, trailing down from a shower rod, a high shelf, or draped along your bathroom counter. It's happy in moderate or even low light, which makes it perfect for almost any bathroom in America. The care trick is simple. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. If the leaves ever look a little droopy, that's just the plant gently saying, "A little water, please," and it perks right back up within hours. Next, we have a real classic, one your own mother or grandmother probably had on a windowsill: the cheerful spider plant. It has long, arching, ribbon-like leaves with soft white stripes down the center, and it just adores the humid air of a busy bathroom. But here's the sweetest part. As it grows, it sends out tiny baby plants, called pups, that dangle down like little stars on strings. You can snip off a pup, pop it into a small pot of soil, and grow a brand new plant. A lovely little gift for a neighbor, a friend, or a grandchild. It prefers bright, indirect light, and if the leaf tips ever turn brown, it's simply telling you it's had a touch too much water. Now for a true bathroom favorite, one many of you may remember from a front porch years ago: the timeless Boston fern. In nature, these lush, feathery ferns grow along damp, shaded forest floors, which makes a darker, high-humidity bathroom feel just like home. If you have a slightly damp corner near your shower, this is where the Boston fern wants to live. Beyond its beauty, it's also a wonderful natural air purifier, gently filtering out everyday household toxins. It loves ambient moisture. If your bathroom tends to dry out between showers, just mist its fronds once a week and keep the soil evenly damp, like a wrung-out sponge. Our fourth plant is elegant, old-fashioned, and quietly powerful: the English ivy. You've likely seen it climbing the brick walls of a historic home, but it also makes a wonderful bathroom plant. It tolerates low light beautifully, and here's a fact that always amazes me. Studies have shown English ivy can remove up to 78% of airborne mold particles in just 12 hours. For a naturally moist room like a bathroom, that's like having a living, breathing air filter quietly working for you. It loves a good rinse now and then. Let it join you for a shower occasionally, or gently wash its leaves in the sink to keep them clean and glossy. Plant number 5 brings something truly special: a touch of soft white blooms. This is the peace lily. With its glossy, deep green leaves and gentle white flowers, it adds a quiet elegance to any bathroom counter or floor corner. It's a wonderful companion for a bathroom with a little indirect light, and it thrives on humidity, drinking in the moist air from your daily shower. One little tip: this plant is quite expressive. When it needs water, its leaves droop just slightly, almost like it's waving at you. Give it a drink, and within an hour, it stands right back up, proud and glossy again. Plant number 6 brings a wonderful touch of the tropics right into your home: the bamboo palm. With its graceful, feathery fronds, it can bring a soft, resort-like feeling to even the simplest bathroom. It handles low light with grace, and it's especially wonderful at adding gentle humidity back into the air, creating that lush, spa-like feeling we talked about earlier. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, and give it an occasional wipe of its leaves to keep it dust-free and glowing. Plant number 7 is one you may already know from your kitchen windowsill, the wonderful aloe vera. If your bathroom has a bright window, aloe is a gorgeous choice. Its thick, spiky leaves store their own water, so it barely needs any care from you. And here's a lovely little bonus. If you ever get a small kitchen burn or a scrape, you can simply snap off a leaf and use the soothing gel inside. Just let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Aloe would much rather be a little thirsty than sit in soggy soil. Plant number 8 is perfect for the busiest among you, or anyone who simply wants a beautiful plant without any fuss, the ZZ plant. With its glossy, deep green leaves that almost look polished, it brings an instant touch of sophistication to any shelf or corner. It's remarkably tolerant of low light and can comfortably go 2 to 3 weeks without water, making it nearly impossible to overwater or neglect. Simply let it be, and it will quietly reward you with fresh new growth every single season. Plant number 9 is a little more elegant, a little more special, the Phalaenopsis orchid. Many people don't realize this, but orchids actually love bathroom humidity, and a bright bathroom window is one of the very best spots in the house for them to rebloom again and again. Its soft, graceful flowers can bring weeks of quiet beauty to your vanity or windowsill. Just water it sparingly, about once a week, and let it drain fully so its roots never sit in water. And now, my friends, we've arrived at it. Plant number 10, the one I promised you at the very start, the most important plant on this entire list. Meet the snake plant. Why do I say this is the most important one? Because it is without question the easiest, most forgiving, most reliable plant you will ever own. With its tall, upright leaves lined in soft yellow, it brings instant elegance to any dark corner. And I do mean dark. This plant can thrive with just a sliver of light from a hallway or a small bulb, and it will still stand tall and proud. It doesn't mind if you forget about it for a couple of weeks. In fact, it prefers it that way. You only need to water it every 2 to 3 weeks, and it's famous for quietly purifying the air while you sleep. For anyone who wants real beauty with almost zero effort, this is the one. This is the plant I always tell my own friends to start with. Just one gentle note, dear friends, because I care about you and your furry companions. If you have a curious cat or little dog who loves to wander into the bathroom, it's best to keep your snake plant, pothos, ivy, and aloe up on a high shelf or hanging hook, safely out of their reach. Your spider plants and Boston ferns, on the other hand, are completely pet safe. So there you have it. 10 beautiful, easy care plants that will turn your bathroom into the peaceful little sanctuary it deserves to be. All 10 are easy to find, too. Check your local nursery or shop comfortably online through trusted names like The Sill, Bloomscape, or the Costa Farms collection, and they'll ship right to your front door, safely packaged. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 is your favorite? Do you already have a green friend living in your bathroom? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one, and they truly make my day. If you enjoyed spending this time with me today, please give this video a gentle thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing this little community together.